Today we're hitting up Fredericksburg Trade Days in Fredericksburg, Texas, where you can get your groove on to some live music. They got a beer garden and tons of food vendors.
Probably vintage.
And 7 huge barns full of antiques, vintage finds, gifts, snacks, and goodies and whatnot. Fredericksburg, Texas is located right smack dab in the middle of the state, in the Texas Hill Country. It's famous for its wineries, German food, and peaches. Walking into the place, this is the first vendor we decided to check out. They had a bunch of cool boots, vintage clothing for men and women. Make sure you check out their Instagram. They even had some vintage hats, which is my personal favorite thing to look out for. They had a ton of cool little shops like this. This one's called Tracy's Treasures. Looks like they have a bunch of antiques and cool vintage stuff. Don't expect to get any crazy flea market deals at these permanent booths. Their prices are going to be closer to what you'd expect on eBay. This little milk glass white herb thing caught my eye. Looks like it's priced at about eBay prices. This whole booth was dedicated to vintage clothes. I always love the bright colors on this Mexican metal art. This is a record shop in one of the barns. It's called Back in the Days Record Shop. Had a lot of cool stuff in here. Once again, I didn't ask about prices, so I can't speak to that.
Oh, sweet.
But yeah, if you're looking for vintage vinyl,
No, this is the Grand Illusion.
this is a place you can come and dig.
I don't remember if you had it. Hey, what's up, man? Yeah. Looks like a lot of old antiques.
What'd you buy? I hate her. She gave it to me for 50. She
Cool old military gear.
What's that first one? No, the second. This is a church. That
The prices at this booth were pretty steep, but it was cool stuff, so I can't really blame them.
Hey, how's it going? How you doing today? Good. Yeah? Cool. A lot of nice jewelry.
several of them did a bunch of guys moved it from GW's house over to Bob's house.
That's all cool stuff, man. Appreciate you.
Here I do a full walkthrough of one of the barns. If you want to skip past this part and hear my final thoughts, feel free.
A lot going on in there.
Kudos to whoever owns this booth. Had a lot of unique items. But I had to turn down the volume a bit. They were blasting some copyrighted music.
Hey, how's it going?
Come on. Keep your cigarettes on.
Did you say cigarette? Oh, is that what this is?
Cartons.
Ah, okay.
Serve yourself.
Buy the
How
car.
old you were.
Shoot. It's got me beat. Wow. Not bad yourself? Hey, how's it going?
How you doing?
Have a good one.
Alright y'all, thanks for watching. The trade days was a lot of fun. A little bit slower than I'd like, but it was February, so I'm assuming it'll get a lot more busy in the summer. There'll be a lot more cool stuff to look at. Overall, I'd give it 4 out of 5 jalapenos. If you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know, and maybe I'll make some more videos like this. And until next time, peace out.